How to organize your bullet journal so you can be more organized. Key takeaway. Bullet journals help to efficiently track progress and keep everything in order by assigning a specific meaning to symbols and words. To create an index for your bullet journal, allot 2-3 pages and fill them out with topics and page numbers as you go. Keeping a weekly log in your bullet journal helps break up tasks and goals into more manageable chunks. Collection pages add personality and organization to the journal. Bullet journal supplies can be organized and decorated to make the experience more enjoyable. By pre-outlining with a pencil before using ink or markers, you can be sure that everything looks neat and that all the lines match up in your bullet journal. Using a key. Start your bullet journal off on the right foot by creating a key that contains symbols and words that you will use throughout your bullet journal. This way, it is easier for you to prioritize and make sure nothing gets lost in the shuffle. An organized key is an easy way to keep everything in order and ensure your bullet journal runs smoothly. You can use a red star as a highlight for important aspects, while blue notes signify less critical but still noteworthy facts. This productivity system will allow you to stay organized in record time by giving each element of your weekly spreads a specialized meaning that's quickly available at a glance. For example, when you organize your bullet journal, you can use a star to denote tasks that need my immediate attention and a check mark for tasks that have been completed. This system will help you keep track of where you are in your daily log of progress, so nothing gets lost in the shuffle. It's also important to remember that it's completely up to you how to organize your bullet journal so you can be more organized in what each symbol means and how they ultimately get used in your personal bullet journal. Use an index so nothing gets lost. It provides a way to quickly find what you need and make sure nothing gets lost or misplaced. Many bullet journals already include index pages, so all you have to do is fill them out with the different spreads in the back using your bullet journal keys. This allows you to quickly look up any topics or entries that may have gotten lost elsewhere, making it much easier to keep track of your progress and stay organized. If your bullet journal doesn't include an index page, you can easily create one yourself using a blank piece of paper and set aside some time every week to add new entries. Creating an index. When creating a blank page for the new bullet journal index, you should allot 2-3 pages and label them accordingly. You could even add some aesthetic art if you're feeling creative. After lining the first few pages, fill them out with topics and page numbers as you go. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just make sure it's filled out and can still give you an idea of where something is when needed. Having an index in your new bullet journal helps ensure that everything is accounted for and nothing gets overlooked as time goes on. Examples of indexes. If you create a task list of a few spreads for a week in February or a monthly habit tracker, make sure you write down their journal page numbers in your journal index so that you can easily find it without any problems. Numbering your journal pages will also help ensure everything is documented properly. You can also use color-coded sticky tabs in order to have the different sections stand out more along the side of your bullet journal. Benefits of a weekly spread versus a monthly spread. Keeping a weekly log in your bullet journal can be incredibly helpful in keeping everything organized and manageable. Having a monthly log and calendar is a great idea, but if you want to go into more detail day to day, creating a more detailed weekly log might be the way to go. Weekly logs will help break up all of your tasks and goals into more manageable chunks. Keeping a weekly log in your bullet journal can make it easier to stay organized and focused. Monthly log spreads can be confusing and tedious to keep coming back to, so breaking it down into more manageable chunks is much more helpful. Focusing on each week instead of the monthly calendar will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed by all the tasks and goals you have set for yourself. Collection pages. You can keep all of your favorite dreams and aspirations in one place. Not only will this help you stay organized by keeping everything tidy, but it also makes it a breeze to add new items whenever an idea strikes. So whether you're trying to set goals for the future or just have fun with your new bullet journaling ideas, having these convenient bucket lists is a great way to express yourself without getting lost among the other spreads of daily pages. Simply use a pencil. Managing a bullet journal can be surprisingly simple and enjoyable. We have all learned the hard way that erasing or rewriting spreads often result in chaotic layouts. Using the bullet journal method with pencils instead of pens has been an absolute lifesaver. It helps keep everything neat but also allowing you to make changes whenever necessary without completely ruining your spread's aesthetic too much. Writing initially with a pencil-first bullet journal gives each blank spread a page structure while allowing it some wiggle room for modifications throughout its lifespan. Getting your bullet journal supplies organized. Finding a space that you can dedicate to bullet journaling and neatly storing pens, markers, and other tools makes it easy to take out what you need without having to fish through a pile of supplies. It does save space and also eliminates the risk of losing something, which can be especially helpful if you have many different pieces and parts. If you prefer working at a desk, investing in a pencil holder with multiple compartments can help you keep everything neat and easy to find. On the other hand, if you like to journal on the couch or elsewhere in your home, having a bin or basket with all of your various bullet journals and journal supplies close by can be incredibly convenient. If you want to spruce up your bullet journal supplies, there's no shortage of options. From pencil holders that match the color of your room to baskets and bins with a variety of designs, you can find something that fits your style and aesthetics. Conclusion. With the right organization, your bullet journal can be a valuable tool in helping you stay organized and achieve your goals. Using a key helps you incorporate shapes and marks that can express the actions throughout using your bullet journal, while an index helps you avoid flipping around to find a spread. Keeping your bullet journal as a weekly log instead of a monthly one keeps things concise and focused. Additionally, it's better to use a pencil when making changes, as this makes it easier to erase something and redraw compared to using ink.